Hello बच्चों, good morning. How are you? Today topic is achromatism, in which axial dispersion by lens, formula for achromatism of lens, formula of achromatic combination of lenses, formula of achromatic combination of prism. What is achromatism? Free from chromatic aberration or free from color. Axial dispersion by lens, this is convergent lens, and FV is focus point of violet color, FR is focus point of red color. FR is focal length of red color, FV is focal length of violet color. So axial dispersion equal to FR minus FV equal to positive. AD equal to delta F. This is divergent lens. Axial dispersion equal to FR minus FV equal to negative. AD equal to delta F. Note, in both cases the violet focus is nearer the lens. Thin lens formula 1 by F equal to mu minus 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. R1 R2 are radius of curvature of lens. F is focal length of lens, mu is refractive index of lens. F equal to 1 by mu minus 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. As mu changes, the F changes. dF by d mu equal to d by d mu 1 by mu minus 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. dF by d mu equal to minus 1 by mu minus 1 square 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. This is constant. So dF by d mu equal to minus 1 by mu minus 1, इसको दो पार्ट में ब्रेक कर लेंगे, into 1 by mu minus 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. dF by d mu equal to minus 1 by mu minus 1 upon 1 by F equal to minus F by mu minus 1. Magnitude of this, dF by d mu equal to F upon mu minus 1. dF by d mu equal to F upon mu minus 1. dF equal to d mu into F upon mu minus 1. So delta F equal to delta mu into F upon mu minus 1, where delta mu equal to mu V minus mu R for two color, violet and red. Delta F equal to FR minus FV equal to mu V minus mu R upon mu minus 1 into F. Delta F equal to omega into F. Omega is dispersive power of prism. Achromatic combination of lenses. First is convex lens and second is concave lens. Convergent lens and second is divergent lens. Red color, violet color. So F is combination of two lenses. Focal length of two lenses. 1 by F equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. F equal focal length of combination for red and violet, and condition for achromatism is F1 upon F2 equal to minus mu1 upon mu2. The negative sign shows that one lens is convergent and other is divergent. Achromatic combination of prism. First prism, refractive index of first prism is mu1 and dispersive power is omega 1. Angle of prism is a1. Second prism, refractive index mu2, dispersive power omega 2. Angle of prism is a2. Red color and violet emergent rays. So d resultant equal to 0. This is condition for achromatism. d resultant equal to d1 plus d2 equal to 0. d2 equal to minus d1. So a2 omega 2 mu2 minus 1 equal to minus a1 omega 1 mu1 minus 1. a2 upon a1 equal to minus omega 1 mu1 minus 1 upon omega 2 mu2 minus 1. No deviation combination of prism. mu2 omega 2 is refractive index of second prism. Omega 2 is dispersive power of second prism. mu1 is refractive index of first prism. Omega 1 is dispersive power of first prism. Emergent ray parallel to incident ray. So deviated resultant angle of deviation equal to delta 1 plus delta 2 equal to 0. Delta 2 equal to minus delta 1. A2 μ2 माइनस 1 इक्वल टू माइनस A1 μ1 माइनस 1, तो A2 अपान A1 इक्वल टू माइनस μ1 माइनस 1 अपान μ2 माइनस 1। थैंक यू।